Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to work on my wife's truck. We're going to end up switching out the stock 20s for some 24s, brand new dubs that I bought for her. We're also going to be getting rid of the running boards on the side because, you know, they don't look that good on it. And then we're going to the car wash and wash it up before we do all that. So we're going to do that right now, and we're going to start doing everything when it's done too. Alright guys, so I bought my wife some new 24s, some dubs. She's been wanting something new, and the old ones that she had were great. It's just I put them on my truck because I bought me a new truck for myself, and I was like, babe, let me have them. So, but I just can't take and not give, so I gave her some brand new wheels and tires. So we're gonna do that right now. One's at the tire shop right now because the one tire came in late, but it's there now. It's getting mounted, and we're gonna mount the other three first, and then we're gonna go there and pick up the last one, put them on, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's gonna look great. All right guys, so we just got it done, washed up. I already took it to the car wash real quick, so now you can see it's a little bit cleaner. We did that just because the wheels that we're putting on are brand new. They're not even dirty yet or nothing, so we kind of wanted to go with the truck, clean truck, clean wheels. So yeah, we're gonna get to it, and we're gonna install the new wheels. So here we go. All right guys, so this is my truck. This is my wife's old wheels that she had, and I had to snatch them, but it's okay. We're gonna replace them. I'll show you right now the new wheels we're gonna get. So here they are, the brand new 24-inch dub flexes. They're new for 2021 is what they're saying, and they're beautiful. They come in a brushed silver finish, and man, they pop. They're gonna really pop on that blue that my wife has on her truck. So that's the reason why I picked these. They do have in chrome, they do have in black with a machine, but that silver just looks so beautiful. I hope the camera can pick up the fine lines inside. You can see the little brush in it, but it's very, very, very nice, guys. You guys are gonna really love them once I put them on. On right now, and it's still in the air, and man, it pops. I gotta say, I really love these look. I think she's gonna really love it too. She hasn't seen it. She's taking a nap right now with the baby, so we're about to see her reaction too here in a sec, and I'll let you guys see that too. It is still sitting a little bit like this because the other side is 20s. These are 24s and on 35s, but we did get the running board off, so you can see it's really clean. But as soon as that other side's done, we're gonna show you the finished product. We're gonna do some rolling shots. We're gonna actually show you what it looks like when it's driving, because man, it is just popping right now. I can't wait till the sun hits it. Right now it's a cloudy day, but it's gonna pop. So we'll get to the other side. Just picked up the last wheel from the tire shop. They just finished up. We got it before they closed because it's almost 6 o'clock now, so a lot of places closing up. But we're on our way home now. We're gonna put the last one on, and we're about to start doing that video roll for you guys. And those rolling shoots, they're gonna be real nice. So we'll get back to you in a sec. All right, there you go. Can't get this fucking thing in there, bro. I don't know which way. I don't know how. What is it?